Jelly custard dessert recipe. Water 1½ cup. Come to boil. Add strawberry jelly. Add sugar 2 tablespoons. Stir continuously until it dissolves. It's done, let it cool. Strawberry chunks. Add strawberry chunks. Add cool jelly. Keep in refrigerator. Take a bowl. Milk 1½ cup. Sugar 3 tablespoons. Corn flour 2 tablespoons. Vanilla essence 1/8 teaspoon. Mix it well. Add mixture in pan and cook on medium flame. Stir continuously. Add fresh cream or Tetra Pak 3 tablespoons. Stir continuously. Don't make lumps. It's done. Let's it cool. Add cool custard on jelly. Sprinkle almonds. Our yummy jelly custard dessert is ready. Try must. You would like it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.